Today I will be reading Psalm 3, a morning prayer. Lord, I have many enemies. Many people have turned against me. Many people are talking about me. They say, God won't rescue him. But, Lord, you are my shield. You are my wonderful God who gives me courage. I will pray to the Lord, and he will answer me from his holy mountain. I can lie down and go to sleep, and I will wake up again, because the Lord protects me. Thousands of enemies may surround me, but I am not afraid. Lord, rise up, my God, come and save me. You have hit my enemy on the cheek. You have broken the teeth of the wicked. The Lord can save his people. Lord, bless your people.